everyone. It is 12:47 West Coast time. In the Gulf of California, we've had two earthquakes. Some places are calling it a 7.1. ANSS is calling it a 6.9 earthquake, 6.4 miles deep. There was also a 6.2 earthquake, roughly in the same location at 6.3 miles deep. Earlier today we had actually just a few hours ago, we had a earthquake off the coast of Oregon here. Also, we had an earthquake in down in Mexico, which now they're saying is 6.5. We also had a 4.5 off the coast of Maine. There was a 5.9 off the coast of Oregon, which they had a 5.3 off the coast of California also, but that was taken off the list. For the West Coast, we should pay attention to all this activity. As you can see here, Maine was a very odd earthquake, but you can see the energy level ping-ponging across and the transition of energy throughout. I suspect that the energy from this one will transfer up to San Andreas, but also split up through Nevada, possibly head up towards Yellowstone area and start causing earthquakes in Utah, Nevada area. One thing I wanted to mention is throughout the last year we've seen a quickening of events. Usually there would be an event, and then maybe a while later there would be an event over here, or if there was a Japan earthquake, then later there might be an earthquake farther down the Pacific Rim or Ring of Fire later. But what we've been seeing as of late for the past few months is a quickening along the plate boundaries of events happening. You'd have one here and then quickly you'd have another farther away. This all started off with the 8.9 over here in Sumatra. If you go over to the buoy system, what I believe happened, I can't change the, pull it over like this. If you look at these buoys that went off with the 8.9, some of the energy transferred along this coastal region down to the southeast tip of Australia, but it also translated over Guam and into the Pacific Ocean, which then went up the coastline up to Kamchatka near Alaska. But what I think happened, what started off the West Coast earthquakes in North America, was this energy that was transferred across Guam into the Pacific Ocean. I believe that pushed more water weight along the west coastal region, and I believe that's why we're having the earthquakes on the west coast right now, because of that. But now subsequently, due to the energy that those earthquakes produce, they're producing other earthquakes along the Pacific Rim also. So keep your heads up, be prepared for an event. They can happen anywhere. Take care, guys.